Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with this life, like kryptonite. And if you care